Make a great choice today with the 2018 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, XM satellite radio, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, heated seats, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Come take a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.